afternoon, everybody, or at least it's afternoon right now, and likely when you're watching this video as well. We are going to set up our notebooks. So let me move some of these boxes around a little bit. We're setting up our notebooks for our function unit. In our digits curriculum, this unit is topics 7 and 8. But we're going to be piloting another curriculum as well. So the first, as it usually is with any unit, the first page is vocabulary. So this is our function unit vocabulary, and this is going to be the first page of your new notebook setup. Notice I'm on page 73 in your notebook, in my notebook. You might be on a different page. You might have used pages for more examples or things like that. Also notice that the left page is blank and I use the right, okay? And that's how we set up our notebooks. So now, I'm gonna turn the page. I get to page 75 and I'm at lesson 7-1, which is the next page in my packet. Okay, and the packets were provided in class and they're printable from our weekly agenda. Okay, couple dots of glue. And here we go. So here are the notes pages, okay, for 7-1, recognizing a function. When it's time, you'll watch the video, complete these notes. In class, we will utilize this page for in-class examples, and your notebook will be well organized. Okay, turn the page. And now we're at 7-2. Okay, next page is 7-2. Turn the page. And our next one is 7-3. Okay, now we're at linear functions, which is a great follow-on of the unit that we just did about slope, which you know all about. Okay, and now how they work together with functions. Okay, so 7-3. Now, this is where it might get confusing, so pay attention. We go from 7-3 in our digits curriculum to 8-2, rate of change. Again, we're talking about slope. So part of this is reviewing our last unit, and part of this is working on new uses of slope into functions. Okay, so rate of change. Okay, 8-3, another word that you should be familiar with, initial value. We're going to go deeper into that idea. Okay, again, we are leaving this blank so that in class we can do examples that build on this idea of how an equation, okay, in the form y equals mx plus b relates to functions, okay? And then the last one of this unit, 8-4. So 8-4 is going to be the last page of this unit. And then we will probably add a couple pages to the end of this unit using our new curriculum that we're trying. But that'll be the last official notes page for setup. Thanks so much. Get your notebook set up, and I can't wait to see you in class.